So in today's video we're going to be making chicken strips and waffles. So we're going to make the waffles from scratch. So we added the sugar, salt, baking powder, and then we're going to combine all the dry ingredients. Then we're going to set that aside, and now we're going to mix all the wet ingredients together, and then we're going to add it to the dry ingredients. So milk, vanilla, melted butter, and then we're going to add 2 eggs. So we're going to combine all the wet ingredients. Now we're going to add the wet mix to the dry mix. And we are going to mix this, add the wet mixture slowly, and then we're going to mix this until it is completely smooth and lump free. Waffle maker is now heated, so now we're going to add our waffle mix to it. You can add a little butter to your waffle iron, or you can use food spray, whatever you desire. And the waffles usually take 2.5 to 3 minutes. So now the chicken is seasoned, and we have chicken breasts, and all I did was debone the chicken breasts and cut them up in strips, and I washed it with vinegar, and I seasoned it with all-purpose and that chicken seasoning. And then we have our flour that has all-purpose and paprika and a little bit of jerk spice, and we have our fryer preheated. Well, it's heated now, so it's just time for us to flour our chicken strips and fry them. You could use make a batter with eggs and milk, or just eggs, and do chicken, do flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to flour the chicken and fry them.